Hi, and welcome back to kindergarten. Today we're going to talk about the letters, because this is something that we learn in kindergarten really well, so that it helps us learn how to read and how to spell. So I have these cards. Each card has the letter, the uppercase, the lowercase, so the big letter and the small letter, and has a picture of something that starts with that letter. So for example, A, there's an uppercase and a lowercase and an astronaut, because astronaut starts with the letter A. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we do this. We do this every day, and if you don't know some of the letters, you'll start to catch on, and you'll start to hear them, and you'll start to see the letters, and I'll show you the actions too. But right now I'm just going to tell you the letter sounds. So it goes, A says A and A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E and F. F says F. G says G. H says H. I says I and I. J says J. K says K. L says L. M says N says N. O says O and A. P says P. Q says Qu. R says S says S. T says T. U says U and A. V says V. W says W. X says X. Y says Y. And Z says Z. There's a couple of things that I want you to pay attention to. There are a few letters in the alphabet, like we're going to do D. D says D, D. It doesn't say duh. It doesn't say duh, because some people like to say it longer. It just says D. Same thing with T. T says T, not T, T, T. So you have to get used to saying the sounds short. T, D, B. Also, there are a few letters, if you notice, that they say two sounds. That's because they're called vowels. We'll learn more about them, but there are some letters that say two sounds. Like this one says A and A. We'll learn more about the letter A today, okay? Let's see. There are some actions that we do that go along with each of these, and I'll introduce those to you as we go along, but today I just wanted to introduce you to the cards and to show you kind of something that we'll do every day. If you want to replay this video, you can go along with me and say the sounds. All right, talk to you soon. Have a great day.